All right, Boston Absolute 2014. We're looking for 10 cards and I think 5 hits. So it should go fairly quick. Well, good luck. Here we go. That's all that we get. Empty. This is all we get. Forgot the empty. There it is. All right. Well, we know the top one is going to be Marshawn Lynch there. And then we got a kid reporter in the back. We'll block it with that. Marshawn Lynch. Base. Colin Kaepernick base. Cordell Patterson number to 20 for the Vikings. Michael J. Low numbered, numbered 20. First hit, Jeremy Hill. The Bengals. Number to 249, that's going to Eugene. Again, the guy keeps hitting. Six piece, got a double. Carlos Hyde for the 49ers. Alex. Quad relic number to 249. Had one good game and then terrible. Jimmy Garoppolo quad. Patriots 249. Patriots Adam P. Our auto is of T.Y. Hilton. Number to 20 for the Colts. Alex again. TY Absolute Ink. Then Silas Red for the Redskins. Adam P. 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. This looks like a quad. Nothing special. Sammy Watkins, Eric Ebron, Calvin Benjamin, Alan Hearns. Still a nice looking card. That'll be a random between those four. Put it to the side. We'll do that later. And we've got some more base here. Hog Heaven, Tavon Austin, and the Kid Reporter. No, not numbered. And not numbered on this one either. Just rookies. 2014 rookies. And that concludes Absolute.